With this type of program, you're able to reach learners that you can't traditionally reach in some of the traditional classroom teaching methods. Even with some of the technology we have, really can't replace what students can get by actually coming out here on site, getting their hands dirty, and learning and interacting with the environment that we often, including myself, often take for granted.
Part of it is just to expose kids to being outside so they can see their connection between the environment and science.
Something as simple as clean water, it's important for the kids to understand where does our water come from, what happens when I turn on the tap, and what happens when I flush it down the drain.
It's neat to share what I do every day so they can see a little bit about how the science they're doing in their high school class actually connects with some of the stuff we do in the lab. It just allows them to see science in action.